In this video, we're picking up where we left off on our in-depth exploration of the comprehensive guide to keyword research, on-page optimization, and backlink building. Our journey resumes with strategies for acquiring backlinks from authoritative websites. Acquiring backlinks from authoritative websites is a crucial aspect of mastering the art of SEO. These backlinks not only drive traffic to your website but also signal to search engines that your website is trustworthy and relevant. However, obtaining backlinks from authoritative websites requires a strategic approach. Here are some effective strategies to help you acquire valuable backlinks. 1. Create high-quality content. Content is the backbone of any successful link-building strategy. By consistently producing informative, engaging, and shareable content, you increase the likelihood of other websites linking back to your site. This could include creating in-depth guides, industry reports, or thought-provoking blog posts that offer unique insights. 2. Guest blogging. Contributing guest posts to authoritative websites within your industry can be a powerful way to earn backlinks. Seek out reputable websites that accept guest contributions and pitch them well-researched, valuable content ideas. Ensure that your guest posts provide value to the readers and include relevant links back to your website. 3. Build relationships with influencers and industry experts. Connecting with influencers and industry experts can open doors to valuable backlink opportunities. Engage with them on social media, comment on their blog posts, and share their content. By building genuine relationships, you increase the chances of them mentioning or linking to your website in their own content. 4. Resource pages and directories. Many authoritative websites have resource pages or directories where they curate the best content and tools within a specific industry. Identify these pages and directories and reach out to the website owners, showcasing your high-quality content or useful tools that could be included. If your content or tool is relevant and valuable, they may consider linking back to your website. 5. Broken link building. This strategy involves finding broken links on authoritative websites and reaching out to the website owners, offering your own relevant content as a replacement. This not only helps them fix broken links but also provides an opportunity for you to secure a valuable backlink. Remember, when acquiring backlinks, quality is key. Focus on earning links from authoritative websites that have a strong reputation and are relevant to your industry or niche. Building a diverse and natural backlink profile over time will significantly boost your website's SEO performance and help you climb the search engine rankings. How to optimize your website structure and navigation for better search engine visibility. Optimizing your website's structure and navigation is a crucial step in improving its search engine visibility. A well-organized and user-friendly website not only helps visitors navigate effortlessly but also sends positive signals to search engines. Start by ensuring a logical hierarchy for your website's pages. This means categorizing your content into relevant sections and subsections. A clear and organized structure helps search engine crawlers understand the relationship between your pages and their importance. Next, focus on creating a user-friendly navigation menu. Your menu should be intuitive and easy to navigate, allowing visitors to find the information they need quickly. Consider using descriptive and keyword-rich anchor text for your menu links, as this not only aids users but also assists search engines in understanding the content of your pages. Optimizing your website's URLs is another important aspect of improving search engine visibility. Make sure your URLs are concise, descriptive, and include relevant keywords. Avoid using generic or random alphanumeric strings. Instead, aim for URLs that provide a clear indication of the page's content. In addition to optimizing your website structure and navigation, consider implementing breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs provide a hierarchical trail that shows users their current location on your website. This not only enhances user experience but also helps search engines understand the context and structure of your site. Lastly, don't forget to optimize your website for mobile devices. With the majority of internet users accessing websites through their smartphones, mobile optimization has become a critical factor in search engine rankings. Ensure your website is responsive, loads quickly, and provides a seamless browsing experience across various devices. By optimizing your website structure and navigation, you create a user-friendly experience while also enhancing search engine visibility. This combination will lead to increased organic traffic and improved rankings, ultimately helping you reach your SEO goals. The importance of user experience and its impact on SEO. In the ever-evolving world of SEO, user experience has become a crucial factor that can greatly impact your website's search engine rankings. Gone are the days when keyword stuffing and backlink quantity were the only elements that mattered. Today, search engines like Google prioritize websites that provide a seamless and intuitive user experience. But what exactly does user experience entail, and how does it affect your SEO efforts? User experience is all about ensuring that visitors to your website have a positive and engaging interaction. This includes factors such as site speed, mobile friendliness, ease of navigation, and relevant and valuable content. Search engines have become increasingly sophisticated in evaluating user experience metrics, using them as signals to determine the quality and relevance of a website. For example, if your website takes forever to load, visitors are likely to get frustrated and bounce back to the search results. This high bounce rate sends a negative signal to search engines, indicating that your website may not provide a satisfactory user experience. On the other hand, if your website is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate, visitors are more likely to spend time exploring your content and engaging with your site. This longer dwell time and low bounce rate indicate to search engines that your website is delivering a positive user experience. To optimize your website for user experience, start by conducting a thorough audit of your site's performance. Analyze your site speed, ensure mobile responsiveness, and simplify your navigation structure. Additionally, focus on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that meets the needs of your target audience. Remember that user experience and SEO go hand in hand. By prioritizing user experience, you not only improve your website's rankings but also create a positive impression on your visitors, fostering trust and encouraging repeat visits. So, make sure to invest time and effort into enhancing your website's user experience to reap the rewards in terms of improved SEO performance.